The international language. The English language is spoken by 500 million people. It is about 1/7 of the world's population. It is estimated that 60% of the world's phone calls are made in English. English is so widespread that it has become the most useful language for all kinds of international communication. English is the international language of business people, pilots and air traffic controllers, diplomats and politicians, sportsmen, scientists, and students. For many people, it is a key which opens the door to the world.